Join me as I dive into the mysterious world of coding and try to uncover the secret language that will dominate in 2025. We're seeing new technologies emerge every year. Understanding these trends is crucial for future coders who want to stay ahead of the curve. Coders today face a daunting task, keeping up with rapidly evolving technologies. With so many programming languages out there, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one for a project. And then there's the added complexity of integrating these languages with AI systems. It's like trying to solve a puzzle with constantly changing pieces. The challenge is real, and it's not just about learning a new language. It's about understanding how these languages work together. For instance, you might be an expert in Python, but what happens when you need to integrate it with a Java-based system? The need for a common language that can bridge these gaps has never been more pressing. As we look to the future, it's clear that the coding landscape will continue to shift. We might see a new language emerge that can unify the fragmented world of coding. Some experts predict that this language could be a game changer, making it easier for developers to build complex applications. Emerging technologies like quantum computing and blockchain are driving the development of new coding languages. For example, languages like Q-Hash and Solidity are gaining traction, and they're designed to solve specific problems that current languages can't. These new languages differ from current ones in that they're more focused on specific use cases, making them more efficient. The potential impact of these emerging technologies on coding practices cannot be overstated. They promise to make coding more accessible, efficient, and powerful. Imagine being able to build complex applications with ease, using a language that's specifically designed for your needs. That's the future we're heading towards. So, what's the secret language of 2025 coders? Based on expert opinions and trends, I'd say that Rust is a strong contender. Its focus on safety and performance makes it an attractive choice for developers who want to build robust applications. Rust's unique ownership model and borrow checker ensure memory safety without sacrificing performance. The community around Rust is also growing rapidly, with more and more developers contributing to its ecosystem. This momentum suggests that Rust could become a dominant force in the coding landscape. Many experts agree that Rust has the potential to be a game changer, and it's already being used in production environments. In summary, the world of coding is rapidly evolving, and understanding emerging trends is crucial for future success. We've explored the challenges coders face, emerging technologies, and the potential for a new language to dominate. What do you think about the future of coding languages? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe.